Got a look at this unusual LED nightstand. Would you like to own one?
Hello friends, so I just finished assembling this side table. It came all boxed and the instructions are all here. You can see how many pieces there are. It wasn't really that complicated but very tedious because there's so many parts to it. But anyway, this is the table and it's unusual because it has a top side. It has a remote control, places to put your plugs in here, and the USB here controls the lights that are under here. This is a bit unusual. Then there are two drawers, and you can see how it plugs in from the back. So that was assembling that. Tell me what you think in the comments area.